Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you don't know what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on it. So a lot of eyeballs on it going forward, and the chart is actually sitting right at a very, very important level. And this is one of these areas where I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or anything like that. I assure you, actually quite the opposite. People that understand charts and use charts have taken notice of this level. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have right here at essentially this $3 mark. $3 is important for no fancy reasoning other than the fact of that's just where the bleeding stopped on a couple different occasions, including essentially the last 30 minutes on the day. So that is definitely a very key level of support. And like I said, a lot of people are going to be watching that level just wondering, is this area going to hold? So long, shorts, and everybody in between watching that area and wondering the same thing. You got to give the advantage to the bears, though, when you look at where the highs went throughout the course of the day. So the price made a high right there. Price bounced. Then it only got up that high. Came down, made a little bit of a bounce. Problem being just a little bit, and therefore only put in that high right there before rolling back over. Now, don't get me wrong, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So just because the price has these downtrending stair steps here does not mean that for sure the price is breaking down through $3. But, I mean, if you had to give, who's in control, who has the higher probabilities there, it's looking like a breakdown of $3 is very well, potentially coming. So keep an eye out for that. Now, in the event the price does start to bounce to the upside, let's map out a couple areas of resistance. Main level of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be just that near-term level to try to, ignite some momentum at 320. And if the price can push up through 320, next key level after that, right up there around 335. But yeah, definitely a pretty bearish chart going forward. And we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.